So welcome back to question number 18. So if you have made it so far to question number 18, then actually I don't see a reason why you shouldn't pass your CKAD exams. So in case you don't know me, I'm the founder of CodeJanitor and I'm also recently CKAD certified, and I dream of helping engineers like you also clear the CKAD exams without fearing it. So without further much ado, let's jump right into solving question number 18. CKAD loves to test your memory on how to edit YAML files. So usually you will find a YAML file most at times on Ingress like this, and then there is something missing that you need to edit the YAML file. Also at times you could also find it on a deployment file that you need to change the API type, or you need to just change some resources in it. That's all. So let's see if we have this file on our server. So ls, and then we could see we have the client -ingress here. So if you have time, then you can verify, but if you don't have time during the exam, you could just come here and then just write vim and then edit the file. Now when it says edit the file, you come here and copy the Ingress and then go to the documentation, look for Ingress. So when you're on the documentation, select Ingress and then go down. The first Ingress documentation that you find, it says it has invalid path type, so we need to ensure that we get the correct path type for our work. So copy this prefix and then go to the YAML file, and then we could see the path type is here. So we just need to change whatever path type that might be existing here. So we will change it, although prefix exists, I will still change it. Now I will save the file. So once we save the file, let's apply it. So k replace -f, and then what was the name? Client Ingress. Good. So now we've replaced it. So let's check if we have the Ingress. K get Ingress k get Ingress, and then we say client Ingress is there. So nice, now we have it there. Let's check our work if we pass it. So check, and then it's question number 18. So I hope we do pass question number 18. Boom. So now we could see we have successfully passed question number 18. So if you're able to do it as we have done here, then you can actually bank in this point when you face your exams. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you want access to the resources that we are using to practice, then you can find a link in the description down below. Please don't just follow along the video. Please practice before you sit the exams, because without practice it will become very difficult for you to actually pass the exam. So please practice anyhow you can. Practice, please do practice. So I wish you good luck, and then I will see you in the next one.